I will say that I look like my problems.
Wait, you guys. I said even myself, me, I didn't even wake up. I am in shock. Bring to the table. What do you mean bring to the table? No woman should be asked that kind of question. What do I mean by that? Table. You're the table top. You're the table legs. you're
I will say that I look like my problems. But it's gonna be, you guys, next time you guys will see me, I think I should be gone by then. Whew, this weekend is going to be a revamping weekend in my body. I'm going to do something. I'm really going to do something. I want to make my hair very something as if it's one big deal. I just got my hair extension. I thought of doing something new, but oh boy. So I just restricted myself and got myself bouncy kinky. I've not even seen this product before, but I just got it. Expression bouncy kinky. It's so nice, and I know it will bang by the time I'm done making it. So stay tuned, and I'll do my lashes. It's been a while. Make my hair. What has been making me look as if I'm no longer a baby girl, but that's not true. Once a baby girl. Oh, this is a baby girl. Oh. I bet don't mind me, Jerry. How you guys been? There's something I really want to talk about. I don't know what I should talk about. I will talk about that later in this vlog. Because as a woman, I know, yes, I always say this. I'm an advocate of this. I always tell people that as a woman, you should be more. I know, yes, we'll joke about it. They'll ask you, what do you bring to the table and all that. In fact, I'll balance and talk about that. In the meantime, I'm in a hurry. I came out to do something and I want to rush back and continue doing it before I close for the day. So, how you guys doing? If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chika Uputa, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, we're all about lifestyle, motherhood, and everything in between. A bunch of general nonsense. Not nonsense, so Jerry, don't mind me. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Down with my high, and I look good. I know that I look good. Next time.
2026. Life has gone beyond being a wife, being just there, being doing basic. I know that yes, we hear this a lot. What do you bring to the table? What do women bring to the table? We are the table. You're the table in the sense that you're the table top, you're the table legs, you're the balance, and you're everything. I work in an environment where I meet people, I see people on daily basis. I at least to an extent I could rate someone just by little or no interaction. And this generation of women, their IQ, a lot of people, their mentality is not just this, it's not just that. It's not so fantastic. At least know the basics. Be able to see A and differentiate A from B, not seeing A and calling A B. I don't know whether I'm making sense. As a woman, you shouldn't just be there for the you understand what I'm talking about. You shouldn't just be there because of body is tea, body is what clock. Like the first time I met my husband, he was like, yes, that he wants to obviously appearance attracts, but he wants somebody that should be able to sit down and do the homework with the children without him being involved. I'm not saying that this is the most paramount thing you or this is the main characteristics before you choose a life partner. But this is his own characteristics or his own merits that takes good for him to choose somebody. Yes, but at least tell try to be more. I just watched a movie that or not a movie like Pastor Mildred. I listen to that woman a lot. She says that as a woman in all your doings, do not die. What does she mean? What does she mean by do not die? Do not die in the sense that if your husband said that he cannot afford a nanny because he doesn't want a nanny, most times he's not saying he doesn't want a nanny because he because he can afford. He's saying it maybe because of the bills are too much. He cannot afford it. And as per you now that can afford it, because it's me that needs the assistance. I can afford it. That one is on another classification. Learn a skill. This is 2026. Learn a skill, empower yourself, interact with people, bring yourself down. If you don't know, let somebody else teach you. Let somebody else coach you. And you can try to be teachable. Not just be this, that, this. Because this generation, in our timing, there was no social media. It came later on. This Gen Z, Gen Alpha, is not these COVID children, the likes of the children we have. Because with the way this generation is going, nobody is being. I know that we've heard this a lot. We hear it from so many people, but let me just add my voice to it. Try to be more than what you are currently. As the year is progressing by God's grace, you have life. Try to be better than who you were before. I was just led to talk about this because of I just see beautiful women, they just come, we ask them questions, what comes out from their mouth? It doesn't quantify you. It doesn't show that, hey, this person is this person is that. Body is tea, lashes on flick, nails on flick, hair on point. But it's not on point. Why? Why is it not on point? Because it needs to be on point, no ramifications. Even if you cannot get first class, at least get 2-2. Even if you cannot cook seafood okra, at least try to cook normal okra soup in the house. I'm just trying to put one or two together for you to understand where I'm driving at. Even if you can't be there, at least be somewhere, not beneath. If that makes sense. So yes, I'm flaunting my hair because I look good. You guys must have seen. I just finished making my hair. Alright, I made my hair yesterday. I just did my lashes and my nails. So I look good. And I've gone to that extent that makeup is not really a big deal. Normally, check that before. People that know me. I can't go to work without makeup. But these days, I can't remember when the last time I did makeup was the wedding I went for in April, right? That was the last time makeup was on this face. Because I'm trying to rebuild my confidence with investing in my skincare. Because as I've just done these lashes, my mind is telling me, Chika, try and do makeup tomorrow to work. But with the way I'm looking, it's at the spirit leads. If I wake up gingered, I do the makeup. If I don't, I just carry my face like that. So with that being said, try invest in yourself. Read books. Google, ChatGPT is everywhere. Meta is everywhere. Anything you want, internet is your friend. Use the internet to a good advantage, not to the bad advantage. Okay, with that being said, thank you for coming to my pep talk today.
Hey people, I tell you guys that if I do makeup, I'll come and show you guys. So just give the judge. Just give the judge. How do I look? How do I look? Just I'm inside the 360. I'm inside the full outfit. It's just the office is just too cold these days, so I just get to go and bring out all my jackets wherever they are. So for today, this week is going to be a team brown week. Every outfit, I've already started my outfit for this week. There must be a touch of brown in my outfit, but I cannot show you guys a touch of makeup. Just know that. Just know that. This I'm going to try as much as possible. Everybody was saying, so you can't do makeup, you look good. I said, they're not seeing me finish for this office. Because since I came to this new place, I've not actually done makeup, I've not been somewhere to you guys. I said, even myself, me, I didn't do makeup. I am in shock. I'm in shock. I just packed my hair to not really a bun, but let it just look messy. I just like the way it came and everything is just I know I'm being vain right now, but just pardon me, cause outfit check. Another brown check. I don't know whether I can give you guys some of this so you will see. This is a shirt, and so I can't tuck it in because I've lost some weight. Hey people, oh god, I couldn't keep up with my brown for the remaining days of the day, not because I didn't have brown, but because there was friendship day on Thursday, so it was something else. The next day, that was Friday, I forgot to capture my my moment. I'm sorry about that. Today is Saturday, and you guys can already see my hair is brown, my scarf is brown, my top is brown, and my face is melon, is brown and it's popping. Because that mind me, I'll be going for the urban praise party. You guys will see that in another vlog. Yes, a party that is the first ever praise party. See, they always do it in Abuja, and they decided to bring it down to the Port city, and we're going to praise Master Jesus like never before. So, with that being said, we've officially come to the end of this vlog. I know I ranted enough in this vlog. Pardon me. Okay, so thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.